Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to make a super cute either Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse tag just using some circle punches and these two stamp sets. We are going to use from the Holiday Haul stamp set these cute little stars, and from Itty Bitty Christmas we're going to use Very Merry and Believe and the To and From. So let's get started. Let me just move everything out of the way. So the first thing we're going to do is grab all of our circle punches. So all you're going to need is a 2 1/4 inch circle punch, a 2-inch circle punch. If you have a 1 3/4, that's perfect. I know we don't sell these anymore, but that's all right. If you have one, you got one. If not, get something similar. And a 1 1/2 inch circle punch. So we're going to start with our basic black cardstock, and we're going to punch two 2 1/4 inch circles. Now these are basically going to be for Mickey's head. And I do two because I'm going to double them up because I want it to be a little bit thicker. Then we're going to use some real red and we're going to cut two 2-inch circles. Same thing, we're going to have one on the front, one on the back. It's going to be really cute when we get it done if I can get this to punch. The 2-inch punch is really sticking today for some reason. I think I need to do something with it, try to get it to stop sticking. And then just take some Whisper White, and you can see I've been punching a lot from this. And we're going to need two 1 3/4 inch circles. And then I forgot from the basic black, if we want ears for Mickey, we better punch some 1 1/2 inch circles. So we're going to just need two. I didn't double the ears. I guess you could if you want to, but I thought the single was perfect for the ears. All right, so what we're going to do first is do our stamping. So we're going to start with this star stamp from the Holiday Haul. We're going to get some smoky slate ink. And we're just going to stamp some stars for the front. We don't need any for the back. Now we're going to take the real red ink. And for the front of this one, we're going to do the Believe sentiment from Itty Bitty Christmas. And I'm just going to center it. I think that looks cute. Then we're going to take the To and From Itty Bitty Christmas, and we're going to put that for our circle for the back of the tag. Now, I made one of these for a nephew of mine for his Christmas gift, and I hope he's going to love it. He's 2, but I think he'll love it. We'll see. I guess we'll find out when he sees it if he loves it or not. I think his mom was going to hide the gift so he doesn't see it right away, because he'll be super excited if he sees a Mickey Mouse tag because he loves Mickey. Now, you can use either this Tombow glue, which is what I'm going to use today. If I can get it to come out. I guess that one's empty. Let's get a new one. Always happens when I go live. I'm always empty. Or you can also use the shimmery white, or shimmery crystal effects. It's not white, sorry. It's the shimmery crystal effects. That works great too. Now, I do normally use the shimmery crystal effects when I'm gluing stuff like this together, if I want to make sure it's going to last a long time. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with the Tombow, but I feel like the shimmery crystal effects is just a little bit thicker, and for some reason I just like the way it dries faster. So take a little bit for your ears, and we're just going to take one of these circles and add our first ear, and then we'll add our second ear. And I just kind of, guesstimate with what I know that Mickey looks like. Then go ahead and take your other black 2 1/4 inch circle, and that's going to go right over top of this. So you're basically sandwiching your ears in between these two larger circles. There. Sorry, I think I was off the camera a little bit there for a second, and I don't want to be off the camera. So now that we have our To and From already attached to this real red circle, we'll add that to the back of Mickey. And then we're going to put our Believe on the front. And you want to make sure, obviously, he's right, it's right side up. and your glue will dry clear. I got that little bit of glue outside the edge there. Then take your real red scrap again, and you're gonna pull out your dog builder punch because this has a cute little heart in it. That's all I want. I just want that heart. So I'm just gonna stick in one of these little tiny pieces here so I can punch out that heart. Flip him over, or well, it doesn't really matter. You don't really have to flip it over. It's fine just the way it is. Stick a mini dimensional on the back of that heart. And then we're gonna add that heart to the front of the tag. And then take a paper punch that you have that will punch a small hole, because you're just gonna want a small hole to fit your baker's twine through. And now because we have several layers, this is kind of tough, but if I would have used my crocodile, it would have been faster, but I didn't feel like getting it all the way out. So I measure about 8 inches of, this is the basic black solid baker's twine. You can use red, you could use whatever color you have that you want to use. But I like the way the basic black looks. Once you fold it, put your loop through, and then you're going to thread the loose ends through your loop. And that will secure your little Mickey tag. Now you could tie this onto a gift bag, or you could just tape, I just taped this onto the package because you're going to want your to and from on the back and you don't want to stick that down. But how cute is that? Isn't that adorable? Now, if you wanted to make it more Minnie-ish, do the exact same thing, but I put Very Merry on this one, and you can use Melon Mambo cardstock. Now, you could also make a bow if you want to make a bow. I didn't go with a bow. I just added a Melon Mambo heart instead of the real red heart. And then I did the same to and from on the back. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to make a cute little Mickey Mouse gift tag. You can use them for the holidays or for birthdays or whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. And I will put all of this information on my blog, listing which punches to get and all of that good stuff. So take care. Bye.